If you double click on a beam, so let's just double click on this beam, you will get this window. So here it talks about the geometry, and the next tab talks about the property of this beam, okay, the size. It talks about the loading, the kind of the loads that have been applied. So the dead load, we have applied the self weight, and the live load we have applied the point load, okay. Similarly, it talks about the shear and the bending. So here you want to see the bending in the z direction, and if we scroll this to the right, then you can see that at distance this meter 0.880, you can get Fy, that is the shear force, and also you can get the bending moment. Using this option, you can find the bending moment at any distance that you want. So similarly, if you want to see the shear force diagram, you can see the shear force. So, and if you scroll, you can see the shear force value at various locations. Similarly, you can see the deflection. Here there is no deflection in the x direction, the deflection is in the y direction. So check this option, you can see the deflected shape of the beam, okay. So you can find the deflection at the various points, and the maximum deflection is 0.161 mm. Click on close. In this way you can analyze your beam and see the results of the analysis.